My name is Matt Ellsbury. I am the lead network administrator for South Georgia Medical Center, now SGMC Health. South Georgia Medical Center is a full-service hospital that serves the community of Valdosta, Georgia. We have a full ER, neurology department, cardiovascular department, cancer center, with 3 other campuses in South Georgia. The challenge that we had is that we were using an older version of VMware. VMware needed to be updated, and we also needed to upgrade our underlying infrastructure. In doing that, we decided to go ahead and look elsewhere in different hypervisors, and we decided to go with the Azure HCI stack instead of VMware. We saved a lot of money in licensing, moving away from VMware to Hyper-V. Veeam helped us with this migration by doing exactly what it's supposed to do, which is failing over or recovering from a scenario. But instead of doing that, we used it as a tool for migration. So Veeam just thought our new HCI stack was the recovery data center, and you flipped the switch and migrated our infrastructure over to it, which in turn helped us modernize our infrastructure. With the click of a button, we went from an antiquated VMware solution to a brand new HCI stack solution. It was painless, it hardly any downtime at all, and just all around perfect solution for that. It's packed full of nerdy stuff that just works. Veeam has helped us with not only getting the backups in place and the solution in place, but it's also eased the minds of the C-suite, my director, and has given us a solution that we can rely on and be proud of. Our plans for Veeam in the future is to utilize everything that comes out. Any new bell, any new whistle, any new feature that Veeam comes out with, that's our plan, because I mean, with Veeam, honestly, we have an unmatched advantage.